Hello everyone, welcome to the last module on Facebook marketing, and the name of this module is Working with Facebook Pixels. In this module, our focus will be on understanding the Facebook pixels and how to embed the Facebook pixel in our website. So in this module, you will specifically learn what is Facebook pixel, how to set up Facebook pixel, how to create custom audience using Facebook pixel, how to create lookalike audience using Facebook pixel, and lastly, how to create custom conversions. Before I explain Facebook pixel, let us look at this example first. One day I was interested to know more about Netflix. I opened the site of Netflix and explored the site bit more to know more about 30 days free offer. I spent some time on the site but didn't subscribe to the Netflix services. After a few hours, I opened my Facebook account and was surprised to see that ad of Netflix is there. Similarly, you must have noticed while browsing e-commerce sites like Amazon and Flipkart, most of the times we only look for information about product and services and exit from the website without buying anything. But to our surprise, ads of those products start appearing right in our Facebook newsfeed just to remind us about the recently browsed products. In the digital marketing terminology, this is called remarketing or retargeting. In this case, marketer retarget the visitors on the basis of their interest shown on a website. The purpose of retargeting ads is basically to remind the visitor that they had browsed few products on the site, or they had added few products to the cart. There are chances that user may come back to the website to complete the buying process after seeing the ads of those very products. But the question is, how a website know that which product we have browsed or added to the cart but exit from the website without purchasing anything? The answer is Facebook pixel. Actually, these websites have embedded a Facebook pixel on their website to track the user behavior. Now, what is Facebook pixel? The Facebook pixel is nothing. It is a piece of code placed on the website that allows the businesses to track the audience behavior and then later on target the specific audience to show the product ads. There are many ways of using the information collected through Facebook pixel, like to reach the right people by creating custom audience and lookalike audience, measure the results of ads by tracking the information, and whether our ads are successful in bringing the traffic to our website or not, and so on. After understanding the basics of Facebook pixel, you must be thinking about, is it really a difficult process to set up the Facebook pixels? No, not at all. It is very easy and simple process to set up and embed the Facebook pixel in your website. So I am going to demonstrate you how to embed the Facebook pixel in our website. Just follow me. Log into Ad Manager account. I am using the same account that we have used in our previous module, that is DMOOC. Click on these three lines, go to Measure and Report, then under Event Manager, click on Pixel. So this is the place where we will create our Facebook pixel. To create a first Facebook pixel, just click on Create Pixel. This is the place where you will give the name to your pixel. You can give any name to it for your reference. Let it be DMOOC's pixel that has been automatically named. Giving the name to your website is optional, just leave it blank. Click Continue. Now we have to embed the Facebook pixel in our website. There are three different ways to embed it. The first one is to add the code using partner integration. If your website is developed on any of the CMS, then you can use this method easily. For example, we have developed our website on WordPress, so you can use this method for this purpose. In this case, you have to just use one plugin. The second method is manual method, which is one of the easiest methods to embed the pixel in our website. I will show you in a while how to do it because I prefer this method the most. Third method is, if you are not taking care of your website but you have developer, then you can email this code to the developer using this method. Your developer will take care of the Facebook pixel. As I said, I prefer manual method, so I will show you how to embed the code manually in our website. Select this option, manually add pixel code to the website. This is the code that we have to embed in our website. Don't worry at all just by looking at this code. We need not to understand what exactly is written here. We have to just copy this code and paste it in the header section of our website. Click it, the code is copied to our clipboard. As we have to paste it in our website, so go to dashboard of your website. Actually, we have to embed this code in the header section of our website. With this method, our code will be embedded on every page of our website. For this purpose, go to Appearance, click on Theme Editor. Here from right hand side, click Theme Header. Look at Head tag, it is here. Just above it, paste the code that we have just copied. Our code is pasted here. Update the file. Our file is edited successfully. Come back to our Facebook pixel page, click Continue. Facebook pixel is embedded. But how do I know whether my Facebook pixel has started working or not? There are two ways. Firstly, visit your website 2 to 3 times in a new tab of your browser where you have embedded the code. After visiting your website, just refresh this page. If you see this type of graph, that means that your Facebook pixel has started working and is reporting the data back to you. The second way is to install the small Chrome extension called Facebook Pixel Helper. For this purpose, go to Chrome Web Store, search for Facebook Pixel Helper. This is the extension that we have to install. Click Add to Chrome, Add extension. Facebook Pixel Helper has been added. It is of grey color, that simply means that on this very page, no Facebook pixel is activated. Let me visit the page on which we have embedded our Facebook pixel. This extension is showing me 1 in green color. That means on this very page, one Facebook pixel code is embedded and it is tracking the data. Congratulations, we have successfully set up our Facebook pixel to our website. Now it will start sending data back to us, and this type of data is very useful for us. We can use this type of data to create the custom audience and custom conversions that we will see in the subsequent videos.